guys, we're gonna have a little bit of fun. It's gonna be how to make a pirate. Come on, I'll show you. Rectify. I'll show you one I just never made. Okay, gotta do something about that. Made. Oh, here's what I get. Good. Clip it here. Take. Okay. What is that? You need some scissors. Use the scissors a little bit. And some tape. Okay. This is great, by the way, it's just to hold it. Here's the and paper. Here, you don't need much paper. You only need like one piece of paper. Maybe 2 pieces of paper. So take it and just roll it. Don't roll it up from this side. Don't roll it up from this side. Roll it up from this side. Roll it up from the long place. Take some tape. Okay. Just tape it at the top here. Okay. Get some. See, mine just in the old tape. I don't know how that happens, but it happens. Okay. Take some tape. Roll it up. Take some more tape. And put it about in the middle of the thing. And take some more tape and put it on the other end of it. Okay. Then you turn up with something that looks like this. Okay. Okay. Here you put some tape. Okay, put tape right here. Right here. Okay. Right here's tape. Right here's tape. Right here's tape. And then what you do is you're going to take it and cut it the size of the gun you want. And take it. I'm going to cut it about here. And then turn it something like this. Once you cut it how big you want it. Okay, cut it how big you want it. Okay, and then you can get another piece of paper. Okay, roll it up. All you need is 2 pieces of paper. That's all. odd. Okay. Okay. So roll it up. Tape it the same way you done the last one. Okay, and then you end up with this. Okay. Okay, now you want to see. You want to see. You want to see the size of the gun. So so you want to cut it about. Okay, see. See this smaller piece? Take this piece you just made and put it about like this, like kind of put it straight, like you would like that. And just take it, put it like that. Take it, tilt it up a little bit. Okay, and see, I got it like this. Take it and cut it the barrel, because the small piece is the handle. So you're gonna take it about that one and just cut it. Okay, turn out something like this. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it. No, that ain't good. Okay, I'm gonna take it and tape it. So you put them together and tilt it up like I told you, and just tape it all around. So look, I know you're frustrated, like, man, you can't do this, but okay. Just get some tape, tear it off, maybe 4 pieces. Okay, take it, put it together how you want it, and tape it. Take it and tape it. That sounds awesome. That sounds kind of funny. Tape it and tape it. Take it and tape it. Okay, like this. Okay. And then you're gonna take it right here. And you're gonna tape it on your ass. Okay. And you take it down here. Okay, take it down here at the bottom. With the gun. Paper gun. You bastard. Okay, and get this piece. Look around, see what pieces need to be taped. Get something like this, and then you turn out with this. So I want, and so turn it. And that looks like this, and if your handle, so you're gonna just cut it. And then you turn out something like this. Okay. Here's how to make the clip. this. Okay. Gotta get that off. You take some of your scraps. Like, take this. Okay. And take the tape off. Okay, I forgot to do because I'm a dude. Stomach hurts today. Oops. Okay, take it. And you get it and just blow it out. Okay. Then take it and just tape it. Okay. So this is my plan done. Okay. Then you turn out with something like this, and then you take this part, this thing, and just shove it up in there like a turkey. And you have a gun.